Maji Maya Hishmahuri agus a fasti in new Catherine Shackton for the 4th weekend as January Gaelige be Magic Clactu and Buscalone the lunchbox. August be Magic Clactu our Janga Ovel will be practicing our oral language development here at Chimplin Poster. August to Shifra August Sean Erskell August to Shidigiha alone they're eating their lunches. August Feckham Alan Ruddy Estis of Uscalone Saku. I see lots of things in their lunch boxes, so we'll be practicing that as well. And Cadata Ed of Uscalone in you. What's in your lunchbox today? It will be your main phrase, sorry, and our pre-phrase, our main phrase. August be magic feckin just these of us galone, August is play be discussing food. So Archimaginish our vocla, August be magic Fulham shot and Shackton shot will be learning all these words and key phrases for the week. So and Kate da and Shackton shot in a glass, green, Buscalone, lunchbox, Uil, apple, Oristia, orange, Pura, pear, cash, cheese, capra, sandwich, ishka, water, cartumbanya, carton of milk, eggiha, eating, agus egg all, drinking. And we ask the phrase, cadata idavuscalone in you, what's in your lunchbox today? Or you could say, cadata ugata the loan in you, what do you have for your lunch today? Cadata ugat da loan in you. What do you have for your lunch today? And Shifra would say, ta capra, cartumbanya, agus orischa, agus banana ugam. She would say 4 things that she has. And you could develop more about the sandwich and saying, ta capra salad ugam. I have a salad sandwich. Agus ta banana ugam. Agus ta orischa ugam, ta cartumbanya ugam. Sean can say ta uil ugam, ta capra ugam, ta pura ugam, ta cash ugam. Agus ta jo ishka ega, he's got a drink of water. Ta Sean eg all ishka, Sean is drinking water. Ta Shifra eg iha banana, she is eating a banana. August shot a buscalone don Shackton shot. This is the words to do with our key phrases. In class we will be doing our different pages. Cadata diffrul, what is different. August Eist August dahagi na rudi estis of buscalone. Listen and colour the right things into the lunchbox. But we will also be doing cadata at the buscalone, the little rap that we have here going on. What's in your lunchbox? Cadata at the buscalone. So let's listen to it now, and we will see what is in the lunchboxes of Sean and Shifra.
Cadata at the buscalone.
Buscalone,
So seo é a rapfag don seachtain seo agus bunigí soltas. We'll enjoy it. And we also can ask the key phrases, boys and girls, of the conversation when you just ask somebody what's in your lunchbox. Let's listen to them.
Cad atá de bhosca leabhain. Tá úil imar bhosca leabhain. Tá piúra imar bhosca leabhain freisin. Cad atá I do bhosca leabhain. Tá ceapar imar bhosca leabhain. Tá arás imar bhosca leabhain freisin.
No, so they're just choosing two items, and you could develop it a little bit more and saying cad atá tú ag all aniu, what are you drinking today? And you could say tá ag all bainne aniu, agus tá ag all isce aniu. I'm drinking milk today and I'm drinking water today. So there's always ways to extend it there. So that's another lovely thing to enjoy, boys and girls, this week in our lovely lesson for cad atá de bhosca leabhain. So bunigí soltas agus yeah, be muidir clachtú a lan bí na ella will practice other foods as well le linn na seachtainna cumáid during the week as well. Slán agus beannacht.